In this video, we will talk about SQL in Operator. So here I have opened the titles table. In title tables, we have the columns employee number, title, from date and to date. So basically it tells us about the title of a particular employee in the company between a particular period of time. Okay. So you can see there are duplicate titles definitely because two or more employees can have the same title definitely. But let me just check out in this table how many unique titles are there in the company. Okay, so for that I can write a distinct query, select distinct title from titles. So this will tell me the distinct titles from this table. Okay, so you can see there are 7 different titles in this company: senior manager, staff, engineer, senior staff, assistant engineer, technical leader and manager. Okay, I want to find out all of the records in this table in which the title is either manager, either engineer or either staff. That means staff, engineer and manager only. Okay, I do not want to fetch the employees with the other positions, only staff, engineer and manager. That's what I want to fetch. So I can make use of in operator in that case along with the where clause. So I will edit the query, select star from titles, where title in. Here is the in keyword, and then within brackets, okay, within parentheses, I have to specify the titles, among which I want to fetch the records. So I want manager, staff. So I want to fetch manager, staff and engineer. Okay. So now it will fetch all of the records in which the value of the column title is either manager or staff or engineer. Okay. So I will run this query. So you can see only staff, engineer and manager will be there. Okay, so there are 222,000 plus records in which the designations are manager, engineer and staff. And now I want to fetch all of the other employee records in apart from these designations. Okay, so that I can also do with a minor change in the query. I just have to use the keyword not in front of in. So select all from titles where the value of the column title is not in this list. Okay, so apart from manager, engineer and staff, every record will be fetched. So you can see senior engineer, senior staff. So the records that we have mentioned in the list, apart from that, every record is fetched. So that's all about the SQL in operator.